channel. This is your girl Jules, and thank you so much for joining me on yet another episode of Jules Kitchen. So I hope you're keeping well, you're washing your hands, sanitizing, keeping safe distance, importantly, checking up on your loved ones. So on today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make chips masala. You know how you make those chipo that is soft, colorful, tasty? Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you how to make chips masala. Welcome to my kitchen, and let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah. I'm going to be doing this with my little one over here because he just woke up and I just have to multitask. Yeah, kazi lazima iendelee, si ndio? So let me show you some of the ingredients I'm going to be using to make my chips masala. So this is chopped tomatoes, chopped capsicum, green and red and yellow. Then we have my garlic over there. That is one piece of garlic. Then I have my red onions chopped. I have my coriander. I have tomato paste. I'm just going to be needing one of them. Then for the sauces, I have cumin, garam masala, black pepper, chilies, cayenne, paprika, some salt, and finally my cooking oil. So I also have a blender over here. So I'm going to first blend my tomatoes and garlic, and then of course I have my sufuria and my mwiko over here. So I also chopped my potatoes. I'm going to be putting a little bit of oil, black pepper, salt, and then frying them and then baking them in the oven for about 30-45 minutes. Then I'm going to add in a bit of oil, just so it's layered, so that you make sure your potatoes are well layered with the oil. Then after that, I'm going to add in black pepper. You can put a spice of your choice. So in this case, I love black pepper, so I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt. Just salt to taste, yeah? Then I'm going to mix this again. So after I've mixed in my black pepper and oil and salt, I'm going to put this in the oven for about 45 minutes. So I cook on one side and then I cook on the other side. So for me today, I'm going to be baking my chips masala instead of deep frying. I've preheated my oven to about 170 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to put in my potatoes. So what I'm doing is that I'm turning the potatoes after about 30 minutes so that the other side can get ready as well. Here are my ingredients. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to blend my garlic and my tomatoes. Perfect. So after I've grind, my paste is here, and this is what I'm going to add into my sufuria. I'm going to fry my onions for about 3 minutes until they turn golden brown. Your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. I'm record. If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know, turn around. If you're happy and you know, turn around. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, turn around. If you're happy and you know, scare someone. If you're happy and you know, scare someone. Ooh. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, scare someone. Ooh. If you're happy and you know, touch your head. If you're happy and you know, touch your head. If you're happy and you know, when you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, touch your head. Yay! Sawa. Nirudi kwa sufuria. So guys, my capsicum is ready. So we're going to go in with the paste that we made earlier on. Sean, you want me to do what? Okay, let me put this then in the baby. Okay, the baby does not want to hear this story. So here's our paste. We're just going to add it onto our food. I'm sure not have passes. So once you've added the paste, you mix it a bit. So there is our paste. So yeah, it looks like our fries are ready. Yes, on both sides. So I'm going to be removing them. Don't have it. So here are our fries. They are ready, well cooked, soft. Remember, it's good to put a foil underneath it so that it does not stick to the pan and that it remains soft. Okay, so this is what we're going to add onto our sauce. So let me add my fries into the sauce. So I'm going to use this so that I don't mash my potatoes. Then I'm going to turn my fries inside the sauce so that they are very well soaked into the sauce. So make sure that you don't mash your chips. You don't mash your potatoes because they're going to be so soggy. There is our chips masala. So the other one thing I'm going to add is my coriander. So you just cut into small pieces and so you add in your coriander. So once you've done this, your chips masala is ready. Let me serve my chips masala. There you have it. So here's my food, and this boy wants to taste, so who am I to say no? Who am I to say no? So here is my chips masala. Remember, you can take this with any sauce that you like, or you can even just eat it dry as it is. So, you want to try? Chukua? Tuonje? Huh? Na mimi? So let us taste it for you because, sorry, you cannot. Na mimi baba, nipe, nipe. It's soft, It has a little bit of chili, that's why he did not like it. So if you don't love chili, please do not add chili to your chips masala. But for me, I love a bit of hotness in my food. So to be honest, the fries are very soft. Mkali. Kali dadu. Utakula. Are you sure? Utakula. This guy is spoiling it for me, by the way. But guys, if you've enjoyed this, so guys, this guy is spoiling it for me. I'm going to do a review of my video. But anyway, I've enjoyed cooking with him. And I've enjoyed making this. I hope you've learned something. If you've learned something, remember to like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bells so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And remember to also share with your friends, yeah? Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to watch this video and subscribe, okay? It's been real. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Mwah! Tatuonje. Tatuonje. Tena. Ujalani na pilipili. You still enjoy? He's wondering, why is this even food? Thank you guys. Bye. Take care.